Fix Uber Eats not applied. Now, first things first to be reminded is you have to make sure that the promo code you're entering is appropriate and correct. For you to be able to check that, for easy to use, you need to use your laptop or PC for a better view. Now, if you take a look on this specific website, coupon.opinionjoy.com, specifically for Uber Eats, you will be seeing multiple coupon codes right here, like take a $15 off your first order of $20 plus with Uber Eats coupon. Please do make sure that the coupon code you're trying to copy and paste to the app is actually correct. Now, and then a second thing is you need to place an order first before you enter a promo code or a coupon code. It might be a deductible or it might be deducted to the total price of the food that you have ordered to Uber Eats. So that's how you fix Uber Eats promo not applied.